Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 7C and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app. And now make sure that you're on the video mode. Simply tap on the square icon with the camera inside. Now we have to swipe to the left in order to open the settings. And as you can see, at the very first position, we've got the resolution option. So let's tap. Here we've got some options to choose from. If you want to change the resolution, simply tap on the option you want to use. So for example, this one. As you can see, it is immediately applied, so it means that after getting back to the camera, to the video mode, actually, you will record videos in chosen quality. So that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Honor 7C. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.